packing up. Marco is helping Kevin clean out his room and pack his bag.
Man, when I got here, I only had a backpack and one suitcase. How did I end up with so much stuff?
Relax. I just packed my stuff up last week. We can sort through it, figure out what you want, and then we'll take the rest to Goodwill.
What's Goodwill?
It's a secondhand shop. They'll pay you or give you store credit for your stuff. I got about $100 for some of my things, though some I just gave to them for free. But it was enough to cover shipping my other stuff back to Paraguay.
Sounds good. Honestly, I've gotten a bit taller here. I can probably put all the clothes I brought into the Goodwill pile.
Good call. How about these shoes? Can you wear them in Taiwan?
Oh man, back in Tainan, everyone wears blue and white sandals. These will be perfect.
Well, I'll let you sort the rest, and then we'll head to Goodwill.
Sounds good. Give me a half hour or so.